Hey, it's Kevin Scharfenberg, your local real estate expert, and today we're showcasing this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse in Ashcroft. It's located at 211 825 Hill Street. You're just across the street from the Ashcroft Pool and the park. Down around the corner, that's where the K-12 is and the Ashcroft Hub. So this place is perfect for a growing family. You've got a side yard here that's fully fenced for your pet. Let's go inside and have a look. Inside the home on the main floor, you have your kitchen. There's lots of cupboards and counter space. Then you got your dining room, your living room area. There's a door here that gets to the common area. And then you have 1 bedroom, a 4-piece bathroom. Your mudroom, that's where your laundry is. You can set up a computer desk. And there's a door to the side yard right where you park. When you get to the bottom of the stairs, to your immediate right, there's a large bedroom with a 3-piece bathroom. And then to your left, you've got this great space here. It's perfect for that teenager child or that hobby room. You got a barn door that closes. You have a window to get out. And then you've got a second door that goes down to the hallway. There is a large walk-in closet and room for your bed down here. The home inside stays at a consistent, comfortable temperature. It's heated with radiant heat. Now in this side yard, you have this covered area, which is a bonus if you want to set up a propane fire pit and just relax and enjoy the evening and take a view of the mountains. And then you have a spot here behind for storage, and then there's a bonus workshop, so you can set up your tools and then tinker in there. So if you're looking for a spot that has some space outside and a comfortable place inside, this might be the unit for you. If you'd like some more information, reach out to your agent or call my office. We're happy to help.